NASA is developing the first ever mission to identify, capture, and redirect a small asteroid or piece of a large asteroid to orbit the Moon, then send astronauts to visit it and collect samples in the 2020s. Using telescopes in space and on Earth, NASA and citizen astronomers are studying the thousands of near-Earth objects around us, including good candidates for the asteroid redirect mission and hazardous ones we want to track. The robotic capture mission will prove a number of the capabilities humans will need to reach Mars in the 2030s, including advanced solar electric propulsion, an efficient way to move larger cargo payloads into deep space. NASA is studying two robotic concepts to capture an asteroid. The first concept would fully enclose a small asteroid in an inflatable mechanism. The second would use robotic arms to retrieve a boulder from the surface of a much larger asteroid. Each concept also provides opportunities to demonstrate techniques to alter the course of large objects in deep space, a capability that could help us defend Earth from impacts in the future. After capturing an asteroid, the robotic spacecraft will move it to a stable orbit around the Moon, where it could remain for hundreds of years. The asteroid will be so small that even if it did approach the Earth, it would burn up in the atmosphere and disintegrate before it could reach the surface. In the 2020s, astronauts aboard an Orion spacecraft and Space Launch System rocket will launch toward lunar orbit, gaining a boost in speed from the Moon's gravity to rendezvous with the asteroid. The journey will be the farthest humans have ever traveled into deep space. Orion will dock with the robotic spacecraft carrying the asteroid. Astronauts will conduct spacewalks to collect samples of the asteroid that could hold clues to the origins of our solar system and life on Earth. The crew will return home aboard Orion, having ushered in a new era of human spaceflight and scientific research. Groundbreaking work is underway to prepare for these human missions to deep space. This year, NASA will conduct the first uncrewed flight test of Orion. Aboard the International Space Station, NASA and its international partners are learning how humans can live and work in space for long periods. Astronauts on Earth are using underwater environments to test spacesuits, tools, and techniques they'll need to explore an asteroid. The lessons we learn and new technologies we prove through the asteroid redirect mission will put humans one giant leap closer to Mars.